Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imelda Nzekwe. If this is your first time of coming here, you are most definitely welcome, but don't go anywhere. Do not go anywhere until you hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, support your girl, show me some love. Let's have fun together as one family. Meanwhile, if you are a returning subscriber, you are also welcome. Also try and follow me on Instagram at Imelda_makeover. Let's have fun together. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to draw your eyebrow. Yes, it's gonna be a very detailed eyebrow tutorial using the most affordable eye pencil. If you're interested in this video, which I believe you should definitely be interested in, then you need to keep on watching. Let's go right into the video. First and foremost, you need a brush. It's pretty brush. Yes, I'm actually using the one from Hudabeauty. It came with an eyeliner and a brush, so I'll be using the brush part to brush off my hair. Okay, then I'm going in with my primer, Pond's. Okay, this makes the brows to last. So again, I'm gonna brush up my hair. Then I'll use the most affordable eye pencil, which is Davis eye pencil. Yes, it's sold for 100 naira or so. Yeah, in Nigeria currency anyway, 100 naira, and I'm using color 18. Now I'm gonna start from where my brows, my natural brows start. Okay, so I'm just gonna gently draw a line. Okay, so I'm going up. So here I'm gonna join this line with the one that I've already drawn. That's the existing line on the base. I'm just basically gonna join it from this point. Okay. Now I've made my base lines. I'm gonna be filling it in gently. So getting to this outer part, I'm gonna be using a lighter stroke. So again, I'm using my brush to brush everything together. Moving over to this side, I'm gonna brush again and then fill. Make sure, guys, make sure your eye pencil is pointed. Okay, the mouth of your eye pencil, or rather the tip of your eye pencil, should be pointed. So again, I'm going to be filling it in. guys, up next, to make our eyebrow define, yes, we are using a concealer. Now if you want to conceal, you use the lighter shade or some shades lighter than your skin tone under your eyebrow, then the actual shade of your skin tone on top. You can actually use your foundation, yes, because we all use foundation that is the same with our skin tone, so that's why you can use a foundation up. So you're going to define our brows now, and then to do that you're using a concealer, or you can actually use your foundation. Now to conceal this down part, you're using two shades lighter than your skin tone, and that is Fawn for me, yes. Then Fawn as in Fawn, not Fawn. So guys, I'm using Fawn. It's actually two shades lighter than my skin tone, and then I'm using Eyebrow concealer in the shade dark cocoa. Yeah, so for the down parts you are expected to use two shades lighter than your skin tone, and then for the upper part you're going to use the actual color of your skin tone. Now this dark cocoa does not really have the actual color of my skin tone, but I'm gonna be mixing it up, so guys, you are free to mix. So I'm putting everything at the back of my palm. So I'm using an angle brush from Bobbi Brown to conceal. So guys, getting to this outer part again, I'm going to be getting more of this shade and then the shade of my actual skin. So I'm just getting more of Fawn and mixing it with dark cocoa. See? So I'm gonna mix everything together. So to clean up the excess concealer, I'm going to be dragging down the excess concealer gently, so I wouldn't go into the eye pencil itself. So guys, I'm using my brush from Bobbi Brown again to press in the whole thing into my skin. So guys, I'm gonna be doing the exact thing here. So getting to this outer part again, I'm going to be mixing more of Fawn and little of Eyebrow. So I'm going to be dragging down again. Guys, for the upper part, I'm going to be using the I'm going to be mixing the Derma Essential Concealer and the Elegant Pro Concealer. Now I'm getting more of Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and then little or small of Derma Essential. So you can as well use your foundation, the one that has the same skin tone with your face or your skin. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to you're blending everything in again. So the last but not the least, I'm going to be using my eyebrow wax from Beauty Model to just wax everything. So guys, that is all for this tutorial. I hope you love the brows. Like, if someone should walk up to you and tell you that, girl, I did this with just an eye pencil of 100 naira, would you believe? That is how cool it is. Yeah. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Yeah. And then forget, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, okay? And then follow us on Instagram. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it on the comment section. And see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. I love you guys.